Lesson 4. Creating a simple story with dialogue in Scratch. Hello, and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a simple story with dialogue in Scratch. Adding dialogue between characters can bring your stories to life, making them more interactive and engaging. To get started, we'll need 2 characters or sprites. In Scratch, you can choose any sprites you like from the Scratch library. For this example, let's use a cat and a dog. Now, to make our characters talk, we'll use the Say block, which is found in the Looks category. This block allows you to display a speech bubble with text above your sprite. Drag it to the workspace and type in what you'd like your character to say. To create a conversation, we'll need to control the timing of each line. This is where the wait block comes in. By adding a wait block after each line of dialogue, you can ensure each character speaks in sequence, creating a smooth flow to the conversation. Let's set it up so that when we press the green flag, the conversation begins. We'll start with the cat saying, "Hi there," and then add a wait block to give the dog time to respond. Then the dog can say, "Hello, how are you?" and the conversation continues. By using a mix of say and wait blocks, you can create a dialogue that feels natural. And that's it. You've just created a simple conversation between 2 characters in Scratch. By adding dialogue, you can make your stories more dynamic and give your characters personality. Experiment with different conversations to bring your projects to life. If you'd like to see your project featured on our social media channels, simply send it to support@01.education. We'd be thrilled to share it with our community. Plus, the project that garners the most likes will win an exciting prize. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more resources, follow us on our social media platforms.